Hello everyone! Today's video is going to be very quick. In my previous video, we looked at how to add a quotes widget like this to your Notion dashboard. If you have not watched that tutorial yet, I will link it up above. So this is my dashboard where I keep a to-do list which will send me reminders about upcoming and overdue tasks. To keep me in the flow when I am doing work, I have also embedded a Spotify playlist here. To add this to your Notion dashboard is very simple. First, go to spotify.com and log in, or create an account if you don't have one. Then find a playlist you like. In the playlist, click on the 3 dots here to copy link to the playlist. Back in Notion, paste the link and select Embed when the Paste as option appears. Lastly, just resize it and drag it to where you want it to be. And that's it. Quick and easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Notion tips so that this video can be pushed to the right community who might find it useful. And leave a comment if you try this out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.